Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SMTP service health with Telnet and OpenSSL detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify SMTP service health using Telnet, open your command line interface. Type Telnet followed by the SMTP server address and port number, typically 25, 587, or 465. Press enter to initiate the connection. If the connection is successful, you will see a message indicating you're connected to the SMTP server. Next, type EHLO followed by your domain name to identify your server. Press enter to send the command. The server should respond with a list of supported capabilities. To authenticate, type AUTH login and then press enter. You will receive a prompt for your username. Enter your base64 encoded username and press enter. Next, provide your base64 encoded password after the prompt. Upon successful authentication, you will get a confirmation from the server. To test sending an email, type mail from followed by the sender's email address and press enter. Wait for the server's response to confirm the sender address. Now, use rcptto followed by the recipient's email address and press enter. Verify that the server accepts the recipient address. To compose the email, type data and press enter. The server will respond with a prompt to enter your message. Type your email message and end with a period on a new line, then press enter. The server should confirm that the message has been sent. To exit the Telnet session, type quit and press enter. Next, for OpenSSL, open your command line interface. Type OpenSSL_client connect followed by the SMTP server address and the appropriate port number, such as 400. Press enter to initiate a secure connection. You will see a series of information about the SSL connection. To begin the SMTP session, type EHLO followed by your domain name and press enter. Check for the server's response for supported capabilities similar to the Telnet method. For authentication, type AUTH login and press enter. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.